everybody, I'm Cece Carmichael with SwellFood.com, and I'm going to show you a terrific recipe for banana bread. You know those bananas that are starting to get a little freckly and black? Well, the rule of thumb for banana bread is the darker and uglier and frecklier the banana, the better it is for banana bread. So first I'm going to mix together my dry ingredients, which is 1.5 cups of flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of baking soda. And to that, I'm just going to add a scant 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And there you go, all your dry ingredients are done. Now we're going to start on the wet ingredients. Got 2/3 of a cup of brown sugar, light brown sugar. Throw that in your bowl. We have 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter. I like unsalted. You can always add salt if you need it, but you can't take salt away. That's sort of my rule of thumb about that. And you want to cream those two together and get them incorporated. And to that, you're going to add 2 eggs beaten, a teaspoon of vanilla. Give that a stir. This is one of the best. I've tried a lot of banana bread recipes, and this is one of the best. It's sweet from the bananas and also from the brown sugar, and it's incredibly moist. All right, so now we've got the wet ingredients all mixed together, our brown sugar, our butter, our vanilla, our eggs. And now we're going to put in the dry ingredients. And you do this sort of a little at a time, a third, a third, a third. You don't want to overmix. When you overmix flour, it makes your bread tough. So basically just enough to incorporate the dry into the wet. And one more. I usually make this in double batches so that I can freeze one, and then when I'm craving banana bread, got it in the freezer, warm it up, it's delicious. Alrighty, now for the star of the show, bananas. It's almost about 1.5 cups, 2 cups of bananas. It's about 3 bananas. This is a great job if you have kids. Get them into the action, get them mashing the bananas with the bananas. You want it chunky, but incorporated there. We're just going to put that into our batter and start mixing again. And your dough is going to be, like almost like a cake batter, maybe a little bit thicker. And you can add chopped walnuts to this if you like walnuts in your banana bread, about 1/2 cup to 1 cup. Sometimes I put a 1/4 cup of flax meal in there, take some of the flour out, put some flax meal in there to get a little extra goodness in there. And that's it. You're ready to put this in your pan and throw it in the oven. Going to lightly grease a loaf pan. And in goes your batter. Now, here's one I made a little bit earlier. You can never have too much banana bread. You slice into that. I mean, this is so good you could almost eat it for dessert. I eat it for breakfast, I eat it for dessert. It's moist, delicious, and wonderful. And there you have it, banana bread. I'm Cece Carmichael. See you next time.